I have spent the last 4 weeks doing nothing but backtesting. I managed to cram in 4 months of trades, which totaled up to 86 trades over the London session and the New York AM session. It started off a bit rough, but then about halfway through, something amazing happened. I got better. So here's what I've learned and why you should put all your effort into backtesting. I've gotten more of an idea of what my exact strategy is. I've basically spent the last 4 weeks experimenting with my strategy and my checklist for trades. This is still a work in progress, but with every trade I take, I'm creating a blueprint of my exact pre-trade checklist and the type of setups that work best for me. I've been learning when to trade and when not to trade. After so many hours on my head in the charts, I'm starting to get a better idea of when to actually take trades. I've always been scared of Mondays. Everyone always says avoid Mondays, it's a horrible day to trade, but Monday's actually been my best day. Mondays are the only day that I'm achieving over 50% win rate. I've also learned that I don't have to stick to ICT's silver bullet kill zones. I've caught some nice trades later in the London session. I've caught some nice trades early in the New York session, sort of around 8:30 sort of time. So I've learned that I don't have to limit myself to those specific hours. I've discovered I perform better when zoomed out. Just something as simple as making sure all my trades are based on higher time frame order flow, and that's including my stop loss as well, has greatly improved my win rate. The amount of times I get stopped out just before the trade goes my way is ridiculous. I have found scaling my risk down and putting my stop loss somewhere that makes sense on a higher time frame level has reduced my losses. I've also recently just got a second monitor, which is going to massively help with viewing multiple time frames rather than trying to flick between a couple all on one tiny laptop screen. Being able to have a couple of time frames set up on multiple screens is going to be a massive improvement for me. I've learnt the hard way to take profits at the lowest hanging fruit. 16 times a trade moved 1.5R in the right direction for only to reverse and become a loss. If I'd at least moved those trades to break even, that'd be 16 less losses. But if I'd say taken 50 to 75% of the position off at that low hanging fruit and moved my stop to break even, that'd be 16 winning trades. And it all adds up and it would have made me a lot more profitable. So my overall win rate has been 35%. But in the first couple of months I was experimenting a lot more. But in March and April I really started solidifying my strategy. And then in turn this improved my win rate. So in March my win rate was 39% and April was actually 60%, which I was really happy with. So just literally building on those things that I've learned and picked up from my backtesting, I've been able to improve my win rate massively. I'm going to continue to backtest in my spare time and eventually complete the whole of 2022. I would urge all traders, beginners or professionals, to spend at least 150 hours backtesting. The knowledge and experience I've gained is game changing for me. I've been able to pack 4 months of trading into 4 weeks, which has hopefully massively sped up my journey to becoming a funded trader. So now I can go into 2024 a much more confident and better trader. If you want to become a funded trader, I've left the link below so you can check out the firm that I'm trying to get funded with. And just for a bit of fun, let me know in the comments how many hours you have backtested. But that's all from me. I'll see you next time.